I folded the letter again and slipped it carefully back into its envelope. Okay. I folded the letter again and slipped it carefully back into its envelope. Okay. So mu taku puni taro envelope bhitere taku rakhideଲି. I kept awake all night. ହେଲା ସେଦିନ ସେ ଆଚ୍ଛା କଣ କଲା ନା ସେ ଚେଇ ରହିଲା ରାଇଟ୍ by morning I knew what I had to do. Okay, by morning से पूरा awake ରହିଲା पूरा चेईକି ରହିଲା. I drove into Bridport ହେଲା just a few miles away. कुଆडे गला Bridport को. I asked a boy walking his dog where Copper Beaches was. I asked a boy walking his dog where Copper Beaches was. तेणु मु गोटे पिला को पचारि से कौन करूला he was walking his dog ता डॉग को से चरौला है where Copper Beaches was. से कौन पचारला Copper Beaches कोन जगह रे राइट Copper Beaches may be so the place in that place. Okay, in Bridport. House number 12 turned out to be nothing but a burned out shell. Okay, house number 12 turned out to be nothing but a burned out shell. Okay, house number 12. Achha. So what happened? So he wanted to see this house number 12, but he did not get it, but he got some burned out shell. Okay, the roof gaping, roof bhi nahi, right? The windows brooded up. So I knocked at the house. Se ghare se taku knock kala. Okay. And asked if anyone knew the whereabouts. Dita lekha, English lekhita. Okay. I knocked at the house next door and asked if anyone knew the whereabouts of a Mrs. Macpherson. So Mrs. Macpherson बोली से खोजला oh yes said the old man in his slippers. तामाने से पिंथिला slippers चप्पल से कहला. Okay, कौन कहला? Yes, he knew her well. Okay, a lovely old lady, he told me, a bit model headed. Okay, model headed karamara. Where is your pencil? Animal. Can anyone give a pencil? Can anyone give a pencil? Okay. He knew her well. A lovely old lady, he told me, a model headed. Okay. A bit model headed. But at her age, okay, she was entitled to be, wasn't she? Okay. So, okay. So that means she was a good lady at her age, a 101 years old now. Okay, she had been in the house when it caught fire. Okay, so say house re she was present then there. She had been in the house when it caught fire. Okay, ସେ ସେତେବେଳେ ଥିଲା. No one really knew how the fire had started, but it could well have been candles. So maybe candles have fired it. Yeah. She used candles rather than electricity. Okay. Written. She used candles rather than electricity. Go there. But you have to go to the top. ऊपर को जीवो तले बसिबनी माने पाइकिना ऊपर जाई बसिबो हैला गो एटा हां तले बसिबनी पाइकिना ऊपर को जीवो अब पानी नबु एरु पानी बाल्टी नेकी जीवो हैला she used candles rather than electricity. So she सेतेबेले candle use करतला because she always thought electricity was too expensive. से भाबुतला जे electricity was expensive. The fireman had got her out just in time, otherwise she would have died. Okay, she was in a nursing home now. Okay, he told me. That old man told that old lady is in the nursing home. Okay, Burlington House. The nursing home's name is Burlington House. Okay, on the Dorchester Road. This is a road, Dorchester, where this nursing home is present. Okay, on the other side of the town. Okay, this is another what you have to do. Can you do just now these two? Okay, so एई जगह रे कौन हैला एक्चुअली से तापरे आसी छी ओके काबू खोजिया को मिसेस मैकफर्सन ओल्ड लेडी को नहीं मैकफर्सन को खोजिया को आसी ओके ये मैकफर्सन किए ओल्ड लेडी से किए मे भी एठी जड़े मैकफर्सन नथिला कि जिम मैकफर्सन खोजुची
ये जे खोजला ये पढ़ला जे ये कोनी को जे लिखी छी जिम ये खोजुची मैकफर्सन
अच्छा सो कोनी को जे चिट्ठी लिखी छी हां
से मैकफर्सन
खोजुची
मैम कहते थे तुम तारा ग्रैंडमदर
नहीं नहीं हाँ ठीक अच्छी नहीं ये जो एक कोनी ये जो लेटर टा से पाइला के पाइला
कोनी को जो लिखी थी
हाँ
ये लेटर से ये
पाइला अच्छा ये जब पाइला ये लेटर टा अच्छा एडी एडी जिम पठे छी नहीं कि जिम काहा को पठे छी कोनी को कोनी 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 होची कोनी सांगरे से कोनी सांगरे देखा करियो बोली कहउतला नै कि जिम जिम मैकफर्सन से मान सब कहला जे मोर हमर वार शेष हो जाऊ देन वी विल मीट टुगेदर इतनो बट ये जो पर्सन ये जो फिटेला ये जाई रे बे खोजुची कागु मैकफर्सन पढ़ दो तो नॉट पढ़ी so I found Burlington House nursing home you got it easily enough. There were paper chains up in the hallway. Okay, paper chains up. ऊपर देखला paper chains. Okay, and a light. Okay, paper chain कहीं करंती सजेवा पे. Okay, हैं सजाते नहीं सब गणेश पूजा ये हला so there were paper chains of माने ऊपर है in the hallway and a lighted Christmas tree stood in the corner with a lopsided angel on top. Okay, so and a lighted Christmas tree stood in the corner. और एक Christmas tree थिला corner रे. Okay, with a lopsided angel on top. Lopsided माने no. अच्छा okay. No, one angel was there. मुझे ठीक हुआ. हैं? Angel was there. Angel जानते हो? हाँ? ए? Pori, yes. So lopsided angel on top. Hey, you should not talk, please. You do yourself, you will do also. Okay. Okay, you don't have a pencil. You don't have pencil or what? Okay. हाँ सही. I said I was a friend. Come to visit. Who has come to visit? এটা রয়ে যাইছে ହେଲା. Who had come to visit Mrs. Macpherson to bring her a Christmas present. हाँ. Okay. କାହାକୁ କହିଲା? ଏ ଯୋଉ ନର୍ସିଂ ହୋମ ବାଲାକୁ ହେଲା. I could see through into the dining room where everyone was wearing a paper hat and singing. Okay, you can see through into the dining room. Okay, see through into the dining room. What you was seeing? That people were wearing paper hat and singing. The matron had a hat on too. मैट्रन में गोटे हार्ट पिंधि थिला ऑन माने had a hat on माने से पिंधिला. ओके टू and seemed happy enough to see me. ओके से मते देखिकरी खुशी होला. she even offered me a ओके means pie माने ये गोटे केक भलिया राइट. सो ताकू से देला. ओके she wagged me along the corridor. She wagged me means she निजे जन मते चलेला. इठी wag माने चलेला. Okay, along the corridor. अच्छा. Mrs. Macpherson is not in with the others. Okay, she told me. से कौन कहला? she is not in with others. माने ए बाकी जो माने बसचंती आक भीतर से नहीं हला. she told me. She is rather confused today, so we thought it best if she had a good rest. So we advised her to take a rest. बुझिपारछो? because she was confused. Confused माने जानछो? She has no family, you know. No one visits तार family नहीं. So I am sure she will be only too pleased to see you. Okay, so I am sure she will be only too pleased to see you. Okay, she is rather confused today, so we thought it best if she had a good rest. ताको हमें रेस्ट करिया कहिछु. she has no family, you know. no one visits ताको के आसंतिनी. so I am sure she will be only too pleased. she will be only too pleased to see you. तमे जेतु आसीचो तमु देखि से खुशी हो. she took me into हला ए कंजर्वेटरी माने से बड़ा गोटे रूम है. conservatory with wicker chairs ओके सो गोटे कंजर्वेटिव को नहीं गला विथ वीकर चेयर्स अच्छा हाँ and potted plants all around and left me. Okay. She took me into a conservatory with wicker chairs. अच्छा conservatory को से नेला राइट से conservatory अच्छी कौन सब चेयर गुड़ा अच्छी एमती wicker chair हैला and potted plants all around and left me. Okay. and potted plants ହେଲା सो सेही कंजर्वेटर रे कोन अछि विकर चेयर अछि आ कोन अछि पॉटेड प्लांट अछि पॉटेड प्लांट माने जो जो माठेर जो छोट छोट ये रे जो कुंड रे रखाय थाए प्लांट्स सेउडा अछि ऑल अराउंड से चारियाडे अछि हैं एंड लेफ्ट मी से मते हटी छाडी गला द ओल्ड लेडी वाज सिटिंग इन ए व्हील चेयर हैं her hands folded in her lap. Okay, so she was sitting in a wheelchair. She had silver white hair. Okay, pinned into a wispy bun. Bun माने जो खोसा. Okay, wispy bun. So इतने तारा लागी थिला. White pinned hair, हैं? Bun भीतर अच्छा, and जो खोसा बांधिला एमती, हैं? So she was gazing out at the garden, हैं? So देखुतला, hello, I said, मुझे डाकली. She turned and looked up at me, हैं? मते अनेला ऊपर को, vacantly. ओके वैकेंटली माने जानी करनो यूपीए से जानी करनो ओके हैप्पी क्रिसमस कनी आई वेंट ऑन माने आई कंटिन्यू मु कंटिन्यू कले मु हेलो कहि देथिली देन आई टोल्ड हर हैप्पी क्रिसमस कनी आई फाउंड दिस आई थिंक इट इज योर्स सो व्हाट आई फाउंड I went on. More challa. Happy Christmas, Connie. I found this. I think it is yours. से कहला माने ए सब जिंस बोले I found this माने से जिनसटा को से कहउसी से जोटा बॉक्सटा हैं I found this हैं I think it is yours. It is yours हैं it is. As I was speaking her eyes हैं as I was speaking मुझे कहउतली और आईज नेवर लेफ्ट माय फेस से मते पूरा अनेक रही छी ओके आई ओपनड द tin box and gave it to her ताको दे देली दैट वाज द मोमेंट हर आईज lit up से पूरा पूरा पुनी ये गला कोन लाइव ही गला लाइवली हे गला हैं विथ रिकॉग्निशन हैं and her face became suffused okay suffused glow with the happiness okay became suffused with a sudden glow of happiness okay I explained about the desk about how I had found it okay so about the death, how I found it. Huh? That was the moment when I explained about the death, about how I had found it. Okay. But I don't think she was listening. Huh? So what is this lead? The recognition and her face became suffused with a sudden glow of happiness. Suffused, actually. Lit up the brightened है became bright, and suffused also again with the happiness became bright. Okay, same thing. So happiness later. I explained about her about the desk. ये जो desk रे मिलिला about how I had found it, but I don't think she was listening. से किसी सुन नथला बोधे.
ସେ କହିଲେ ସିଏ ପଢୁଥିଲା ଯୋଉଟା ଦେଇଥିଲ
हाँ.
ପେପରଟା।
For a while she said nothing, but stroked the letter tenderly with her fingertips. ସେଠୁ ସେ ତାକୁ stroked ମାନେ ସେ stroked ଏଟା ବାଡେଇବା ହେଲା strike ର stroke but stroked ବି ଲେଖିଛି ଏଥିରେ ଠକ୍ ଠକ୍ କରିବା ହେଲା ସେଟା ଅଲଗା ହଁ stroke the letter ହଁ with the tenderly ମାନେ softly ଜାଣିଛ with the with her fingertips. Suddenly she reached out and she ହାତ ବଢେଇଲା and took my hand. Reached out and took my hand. ହେଲା ମୋ ହାତଟା ନେଲା. Her eyes were filled with tears. You told me you had come home by Christmas, dearest. You told me you had come home by Christmas. Okay. So ତାକୁ କଣ କହିଲା? You told me you had come home by Christmas, dearest. ସେ ମୋ ହାତ ଧରି କହୁଛି କଣ କହୁଛି You told me you had come you would come ଏଠି ଏଟା ହାର୍ଡ କୁହାଯିବନି You would come by Christmas, dearest. ତ Christmas ଭିତରେ ଆସିବ ବୋଲି କହୁଥିଲି ହେଲା she said and here you are the best Christmas present in the world. Come closer, Jim dear, sit down. Okay, ସେ ତାକୁ ଡାକିଲା and here you are ତୁମେ ଆସିଛ ବେଷ୍ଟ କ୍ରିସମାସ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ତୁମେ ଆଜି ମୁଁ ବେଷ୍ଟ କ୍ରିସମାସ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ଆଜି ପାଇଯାଇଛି କମ୍ କ୍ଲୋଜର ଜିମ୍ ଡିୟର ସିଟ୍ ଡାଉନ୍ ଓକେ I sat down beside her and she kissed my cheek. Okay, I read your letter so often, Jim. ପୁଣି ସେ କହୁଛି ତୁ ଚିଠି ପଠଉଥିଲୁ ମୁଁ ବି ସବୁବେଳେ ପଢୁଥିଲି every day. I wanted to hear your present voice in my head. I wanted to hear your voice in my head. अच्छा ତେଣୁ ସେ କହୁଛି ପଠଉଥିଲୁ I wanted to hear your voice କିନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ତ କଥା ଶୁଣୁନଥିଲି ଖାଲି ଚିଠି ପଠଉଥିଲି ହେଲା It always made me feel you were with me. ହେଲା ଯେମିତି ମତେ ଏ ଯୋଉ ଚିଠି ପଢିକିରି ଲାଗୁଥିଲା that you were with me ତୁ ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଅଛୁ and now you are ଆଜି ଆସିଛୁ ମୋ ପାଖକୁ now you are back you can read it to me yourself ତୁ ମତେ ପଢିକି ଶୁଣେଇବୁ ହେଲା you can read it to me would you do that for me ମତେ ପଢିକି ଶୁଣେଇ ଦେବୁ କି Jim dear I just want to hear your voice again. ମୁଁ ତୋର ଭଏସ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ହେଲା I would love that so much. ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବି ହେଲା and then perhaps we will have some tea. ଆମେ ବି ଟି ବି ପିଇବା I have made a nice Christmas cake ବି ମୁଁ କରିଛି ମାଜି ପାନ all around ମାଜି ପାନ କେକ୍ ନା କଣ Marzipan all around. हाँ marzipan पकेजी ता ऊपर marzipan all around. Marzipan मु पकेजी से केक ऊपर है Christmas केक ऊपर I know how much you love marzipan तो खाया को भलो लागू है बोलता को से कहला ए लोकटा तो सुनुची आउ है बुझिपारछ he is not the Jim ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ବହୁତ ଦିନ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ଆଉ
ସେ ଭାବୁଛି ସେ ଜିମ୍ ବି ଆଣି ରଖିଥିଲା
ଯିଏ
କିନ୍ତୁ ଆଣିକି ରଖିଲା
ଭାବିଲା ଇଏ ଲୋକ ପାଇକିରି ଚିଠି ପଢିଲା ଚିଠି ପଢିକିରି ତା ପାଖକୁ ଏଇ ଠିକଣାରେ ଗଲା ଏଇ ଠିକଣାରେ ଯାଇକିରି ଗଲା ବେଳକୁ ତାକୁ ସେ କହିଲା ଏଠି ଯେ ନାହିଁ ଯାଇଛ जो एठी रहउची हॉस्पिटल जागिरी से बुढ़ी को देखिला से बुढ़ी को देखला तो बहुत दिन कथा ये केते दिन कथा से पाइची केबे हैला से तो बुढ़ी जाइए से भी मरी जाइए जिम ये ताको देखिए कहला तू जिम बोली भाभी कहला हैला एटा सो दिस इज दी ओवर